from Tech, and it's hard to believe that we are almost finished with the final step in our 6-step one-piece repair process. Today's course is R, which stands for Return the Tire to Service. Before we get to step 6, just a few items to follow up on to finish the repair installation process. When repairing a sound suppression tire with a cured adhesive, seal the edge of the repair unit and the overbuffed area with Tech number 738 Security Coat or number 739 Butyl Liner Repair Sealer. These repair sealers help to restore the air retention properties of the buffed inner liner beyond the area covered by the repair as shown. If you wish to reinstall the foam that was removed at the beginning of the process, apply the liner sealer to the entire area where that foam was removed. Then place the foam back in the tire and press it down for a minute or two. If the adhesive is still tacky, then the foam can be reinserted without the use of an inner liner sealer. So what all is entailed in returning the tire to service? Well, we have to remount the tire to the wheel, then balance the tire and wheel assembly, then install the wheel assembly to the vehicle following proper procedures, and if the vehicle is equipped with TPMS, relearn the system if necessary. Congratulations, you have completed the last course in Tech Sound Suppression Tire Puncture Repair course. On behalf of all of us at Tech Tire and Wheel, we appreciate you investing in our training and wish you great success as a trained tire repair technician. If you have any questions, contact the course instructor, your Tech distributor, or visit our website, techtirerepairs.com. Once again, thank you, and I'll see you again in the next Tech University training course.